H. H. Munro, Saki, a British writer, 1870 to 1916. Munro was son of an officer in the Burma police. At the age of 2, he was sent to live with his aunts near Barnstaple, Devon, England. Later took revenge on their strictness and lack of understanding by portraying tyrannical aunts in many of his stories about children. He was educated at Exmouth and at Bedford Grammar School, and in 1893 he joined the Burma police but was invalidated out. Turning to journalism, he wrote political satires for the Westminster Gazette and in 1900 published The Rise of Russian Empire, a serious historical work. After acting as foreign correspondent for the Morning Post in the Balkan, Russia and Paris, in 1908 he settled in London, writing short stories and sketches. Reginald 1904, Reginald in Russia 1910, The Chronicles of Clothes 1912, and The Beast and Super Beast 1914. Written in a style studied with epigrams and with well contrived plots, often turning on practical jokes or surprise endings. His stories reveal a vein of cruelty in their author and a self identification with the infant terrible. Among his most frequently anthologized works are Tobermory, The Open Window, Srinivasta, Laura, and The Schwartz Metaclum Method. His novel, The Unbearable Bassington, 1912, describes the adventures of a fastidious and likable but maladjusted hero in a manner anticipating that of the early work of the English satirist Evelyn Waugh. Besides his short stories, he wrote a full-length play, The Watched Pot, in collaboration with Charles Moore. The episodic The Westminster Alice, a parliamentary parody of Alice in Wonderland, and When William Came, subtitled A Story of London Under the Hohenzollerns, a fantasy about a future German occupation of Britain. At the start of the First World War, Munro was 43 and officially overaged to enlist, but he refused a commission and joined the 2nd King Edward's Horse as an ordinary trooper. He later transferred to the 22nd Battalion of the Royal Fusiliers, in which he rose in the rank of Lance Sergeant. More than once he returned to the battlefield when officially too sick or injured. In November 1916, he was sheltering in a shell crater near Beaumont-Harnil, France, during the Battle of the Ancre, when he was killed by a German sniper. In 2003, English Heritage marked Munro's flight with a blue plaque. Dr. Hugh Munro, 18 December 1870 to 14 November 1916, better known by the pen name Saki and also frequently as H. H. Munro, was a British writer whose witty, mischievous and sometimes macabre tones satirize Edwardian society and culture. He is considered by English teachers and scholars as a master of the short story and often compared to O. Henry and Dorothy Parker. There are a number of posthumous works in his name, which include short stories titles The Toys in Peace in 1919, The Square Egg and Other Sketches in 1924. Thank you.